Hi, myself V.Govindaraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Applications, Islamiah College Autonomous Vaniyambadi. First of all, I would like to thank our Secretary and Correspondent L.M. Muniragama sir and our Principal Dr. T. Muhammad Ilia sir and our Vice Principal Dr. S. Roja Muhammad Kamil sir and our coordinators Dr. H. Abdul Jafar Ali sir and Professor D. Abu Fasal sir and our beloved HOD Professor P. Magiran sir for giving the opportunity to conduct the UGC NET classes. Thank you, sir. If you go for first questions, we go for first question. A college wants to give training in use of statistical package for social science to researcher. For this college should organize. Options are A conference, B seminar, C workshop, D lecturer. Answer is C. Workshop is defined as an assembled group of 10 to 25 persons who share a common interest or problem. They meet together to improve their skill of a subject through intensive study, research, practice, and discussion. Second question ICT stands for options are International Communication Technology, Intra-Common Terminology, Information Communication Technology, Interconnected Terminals. Answer is C. ICT refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunication. It is similar to information technology IT, but focus primarily on communication technologies. This includes the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, and other communication medium. Third question in the hypermedia database, information bits are stored in the form of options are A signal, B cube, C node, D symbols. Answer is C. Hypermedia database model stores as chunks of information in the form of nodes connected by links established by the user. The node can contain text, graphics, sound, full motion video, or executable computer program. Fourth question communication bandwidth that has highest capacity is used by microwave, cable, fiber optic lines is known as options are A hyperlink, B broadband, C bus width, D carrier wave. Answer is B. Broadband is a high capacity transmission technique using a wide range of frequencies which enables a large number of messages to communicated simultaneously. It's important to have a firewall if you have broadband. Fifth question network media exist in interconnected. Options are A social environment, B economic environment, C political environment, D technological environment. Answer is D. External factors in technology that impact business operations changes in technology affect how a company will do business. A business may have to dramatically change their operating trajectory as a result of changes in the technological environment. Sixth question a dialogue between a human being and a computer programmed that occurs simultaneously in various forms is described as. Options are A. Man machine speak, B. Binary chart, C. Digital talk, D. Interactivity. In this, answer is D. In computer interactivity, is the dialogue that occurs between a human being and possibly another live creature and a computer program. Programs that run without immediate user involvement are not interactive. They are usually called a batch or background programs. Games are usually thought of as fostering a great amount of interactivity. However, order entry application and many other business applications are also interactive but in a more constrained way, offering fewer options for user interaction. Seventh question. SITE stands for options are A. System for International Technology and Engineering, B. Statistical Instructional Television Experiment, C. South Indian Trade Estate. D. State Institute of Technology and Engineering. Answer is B. The site was experimental satellite communication project launched in the 1975. designed jointly by NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). The project made available informational television programmed to rural India. The main objectives of the experiment were to educate the poor people of India on various issues via satellite broadcasting and also to help India gain technical experience in field of satellite communication. The experiment ran for 1 year from 1 August 1975 to 31st July 1976, covering more than 2,400 villages in 20 districts of 6 Indian states and territories. For example, for Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Rajasthan. If you go for in eighth questions, LAN stands for. Options are A, local and national, B, local area network, C, large area network, D, live area network. Options are answer is B. Yeah, LAN is a local network, is a computer network that spans relatively small area, usually confined to a single room, building, or group of buildings. Ninth question, which part of the central processing unit performs calculation make decisions? Options are A, arithmetic logic unit, B, alternating logic unit, C, alternate logic unit, next American logic unit. Answer is A. Explanation for an arithmetic logic unit is a major component of central processing unit of a computer system. It does all processes related to arithmetic and logic operation that need to be done on instruction words. In some microprocessor architecture, the ALU is divided into the arithmetic unit and logic unit. You go for 10th questions. On the keyboard of each character has an ASCII value which stands for. Options are A, American Stock Code for Information Interchange, B, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, C, African Standard Code for Information Interchange, D, Adaptable Standard Code for Information Change. Answer is B. ASCII is a character encoding that uses numeric codes to represent character. These include upper and lowercase English letters, numbers, and punctuation symbols. 11th question, DPI stands for. Options are A, dots per inch, B, digit per unit, C, dots pixel inch, D, diagram per inch. Answer for A. DPI stands for dots per inch. DPI is used to measure the resolution of an image both on screen in print. The DPI measures how many dots fit into a linear inch. 12th questions. The process of laying out a document with text, graphics, headlines, and photographs is involved in. Options are A, desktop publishing, B, desktop printing, C, desktop publishing, D, desktop printing. Answer is C. Desktop publishing is a creation of documents using a page layout software on a personal computer. Desktop publishing software can generate a layouts and produce a typographic quality text and images comparable to traditional typographic and printing. We go for 13th question. CD-ROM stands for. Options are A, computer disk read only memory, B, compact disk read over memory, C, compact disk read only memory, D, computer disk read over memory. Answer is C. Explanation for CD-ROM stands for compact disk read only memory. A CD-ROM is a CD that can be read by a computer with an optical drive. The ROM part of the term means the data on the disk is read only or cannot altered or erased. Because of these features and their large capacity for CD-ROMs are a great media format for retail software. 14th question, the brain of a computer which keeps peripheral under its control is called Options are A. Common power unit, B. Common processing unit, C. Central power unit, D. Central processing unit. Answer is D. CPU, part of any digital computer system, generally composed of the main memory, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. In modern computers, the CPU is contained on an integrated circuit for chip called a microprocessor. 15th questions. Data can be saved on backing storage medium known as, options are A. Compact disk recordable, B. Computer disk rewritable, C. Compact disk rewritable, D. Computer data rewritable. Answer is C. CD, compact disk rewritable, is a digital optical disk storage format introduced in 1997. A CD rewritable compact disk can return, read, erase, rewritten CD-ROM drives with a multi-read certification or compatible. 16th question. RAM means, options are A. Random access memory, B. Rigid access memory, C. Access memory, D. Revolving access memory. Answer for A. Random access memory is a type of computer data storage. A RAM device makes it possible to access a data in random order, which makes it very fast to find a specific piece of information. RAM is considered volatile memory, which means that the stored information is lost when there is no power. 17th question. WW represents, options are A. Who, what, and where, B. Wired Wide Web, C. World Wide Web, D. World Wide Web. Answer is D. So, the World Wide Web is a collection of web pages found on this network of computer. Your web browser uses the internet to access the web. 18th question. Firewalls are used to protect a communication network system against, options are A. Unauthorized attack, virus attack, data driven attacks, fire attack. Answer is A. In computing, a firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls the incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. A firewall typically establishes a barrier between trusted, secure internal network and another outside network, such as the internet, that is assumed to not be secured or trusted. Next question for 19th. Errors in computer programmed are, options are A. Foolish, B. Mistakes, C. Bugs, D. Spam. A bug refers to an error, fault, or flaw in any computer program or a hardware system. A bug produces unexpected results or cases a system to behave unexpectedly. Question number 20. HTML is basically used for design. Options are A. Web page, B. Website, C. Graphics, D. Tables and frames. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating a web pages. Next question number 21. Microprocessing is made for, options are A. Computer, B. Digital system, C. Calculator, D. Electronic goods. A microprocessor is a computer processor that incorporates the functions of a central processing unit on a single or more integrated circuits. Question number 22. Information, a combination of a graphics, text, sound, video, and animation is called, options are A. Multi-program, B. Multifact, C. Multimedia, D. Multiprocess. Multimedia is the use of computer to present the combined text, graphics, audio, and video with links and tools that let the user navigate, interact, create, and communicate. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a related to information security on internet? Options are A. Data encryption, B. Watermarking, C. Data hiding, D. Information retrieval. Answer is D. The information retrieval is the field of computer science that deals with the processing of documents containing free text so that they can be rapidly retrieved based on keywords specified in a user's query. Question number 24. Which is the largest unit of storage among the following? Options are A. Terabyte, B. Megabyte, C. Kilobyte, D. Gigabyte. Answer is A. There are 1024 GB in 1 terabyte. Right now, terabyte is the most common unit of measurement when talking about regular or drive sizes. Question number 25. Bit stands for. Options are A. Binary information term, B. Binary digit, C. Binary tree, D. Bivariate theory. Answer is B. A bit, short for binary digit, is the smallest unit of data in a computer. A bit has a single binary value, either 0 or 1. Of a byte, 4 bits is called a nipple. Next question number 26. Which one of the following is not a linear data structure? Options are A. Array, B. Binary tree, C. Queue, D. Stack. Answer is B. A binary tree is made of node when each node contains a left reference, a right reference, and a data element. The topmost node in the tree is called a root. Every node, excluding a root in a tree, is connected by a directed edge from exactly one other node. This node is called a parent. That's mean your consider for binary tree is a root node, and then we are consider for left subtree and right subtree. Root is we have to consider for parent tree. Okay, just go for next 27th questions. Which one of the following is not a network devices? Options are A. Router, B. Switch, C. Hub, D. CPU. Answer is D. The CPU is the primary component of a computer that processes instructions and runs the operating system and application constantly receiving input from the user or active software programs. Next question number 28. A compiler is used to convert the following to object code which can be executed. Options are A. High level language, B. Low level language, C. Assembly language, D. Natural language. Answer is A. Yeah, high-level language is a programming language designed to simplify computer programming. It is a high level since it is several steps removed from the actual code run on a computer's processor. Most common programming languages are considered a high-level languages. Next question number 29. Which one of the following is different from a other members? A. Google, B. Windows, C. Linux, D. Mac. Google is a transitive verb to use the Google search engine to obtain information about someone or something on the World Wide Web. Okay, if you go for next question number 30, where does a computer add and compare its data? Options are A. CPU, B. Memory, C. Hard disk, D. Floppy disk. Answer for A. Central processing unit is the main port of a computer. CPU chip or main processor is that part in the computer which performs or executes all the instructions are programs. Next question number 31. Computers on an internet are identified. Options are A. Email address, B. Street address, C. IP address, D. None of the above. Answer is C. An internet protocol address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the internet protocol for communication. An IP address serve two main functions: host or network interface identification and location addressing. Next question number 32. The set of computer programs that manage the hardware software of a computer is called. Options are A. Compiler system, B. Operating system, C. Operation system, D. None of these. Answer is C. An operating system is a software that communicates with the hardware and allows other programs to run its compressed of a system software or the fundamental files your computer needs to boot up and function. Common desktop operating system include Windows, OS X, Linux. Next question number 33. Yes, yes, MIME in Internet technology stands for Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension, Secure Multimedia Internet Mail Extension, Simple Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension, Simple Multimedia Internet Mail Extension. Answer for A. Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension is the standard widely available protocol for sending and receiving a protected MIME data. It provides authentication, message integrity, and non-repetition of origin and data confidentiality using encryption. Next question number 34. The octal number system consists of the following symbol. Options are A 027, 029, 029, A to F, D none of the above. Answer for A. The octal number system is the base for 8 number system that uses the digits for 0 to 7. Octal numerals can be made from a binary numerals by grouping consecutive binary digits into groups of 3 starting from the right. Okay, just go for next 35 question number. DNS in Internet technology stands for. Options are A. Dynamic name system, B. Domain name system, C. Distributed name system, D. None of these. Answer for B. Explanations. The domain name system is the phone book of the Internet. Human access information online through domain names like nytimes.com, espn.com. Web browser interact through Internet Protocol IP address. Next, DNS translate a domain names to IP address so browser can load internet resources. Next question number 36. Which of the following is type of LAN? Options are A. Ethernet, B. Token ring, C. FDDI, D. All of the above. Answer for D. Ethernet is a network protocol that controls how data is transferred over a local area network. Next one of the token ring, token bus. Next fiber distributed data interface. Next question number 37. Dash is a protocol used by email clients to download emails to your computer. Options are A. TCP, B. FTP, C. SMTP, D. POP. POP is a post office protocol, means that all of your email is downloaded from your internet service provider to your own personal computer and usually deleted from the server if you created a folder in your email program. Those folders are only accessible on your own personal computer. Next question number 38. A computer program that translates a program statement by statement into a machine language is called. Options are A. Compiler, B. Simulator, C. Translator, D. Interpreter. Answer is D. An interpreter directly executes an instruction written in a programming or scripting language without previously converting them to an object code or machine code. Next question number 39. The first web browser. Options are A. Internet Explorer, B. Netscape, C. World Wide Web, D. Firefox. Answer is C. A web browser, commonly referred to as a browser, is a software application for accessing information on a World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the pages on the user device. Next question number 40. When a computer is booting, a BIOS is loaded to the memory by. Options are A. RAM, B. ROM, C. CD-ROM, D. TCP. Answer is B. Read-only memory is a type of non-volatile memory used in a computers and other electronic devices. Next question number 41. Symbols E to F are used in which one of the following? Options are: A, binary number system; B, decimal number system; C, hexadecimal number system; D, octal number system. Hexadecimal number system is one of the type of number representation techniques in which the value base is 16. The symbols you have to convert it for 0 to up to 9 is a continuation order. Next, you start with for letter for A, B, C, D, E, F. It is also positional, weighted or number system. You just go for question number 42. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Options are: A, Google; B, Chrome; C, Yahoo; D, Bing. Chrome is not a search engine. Explanation for search engine: the name itself suggests it searches some information which is needed to the user. Next, question number 43. The process of copying a file to a CD-ROM is known as burning, chipping, digiting, ripping. Answer for A. The term for burn is used because the CD writer or burner literally burns the data onto writable CD. The laser into a CD writer can be cranked up to a more powerful level than an ordinary CD-ROM laser. This is enables to engrave thousands of ones and zeros onto a CD. Next, question number 44. This is the last questions. Binary equivalent of a decimal number is 35. If you're giving for 35, you have to calculate it for based on your binary. So we are giving a options are 1000011. B options for 110001. C options are 110101. D options are 101011. Answer for A. Only explanation for these things for divide for 35, then decimal for 10 successively by 2 until quotients for 0. Next, you just binary values for binary numbers, 2 decimals for 10. So you have to calculate for binary. So 35 divided by 2, 17, remainder 1. 17 divided by 2, 8, remainder 1. 8 divided by 4, remainder 0. 4 divided by 2, remainder 0. 2 by 2, remainder remainder 0. 1 by 2, 0, remainder 1. So answer for you have to calculate for lost level. We are calculating for lost level 100011. This is the answer for A. Thank you.